Changing the email link to your Venmo account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your email quickly. Step 1. Open the Venmo app. Launch the Venmo app on your smartphone. Ensure you are logged into your account to access your settings. Step 2. Navigate to Settings. Tap on the menu icon, usually located in the upper left corner. From the menu, select Settings to access your account settings. Step 3. Select Account Settings. In the Settings menu, find and tap on Accounts. This section contains your account information, including your email address. Step 4. Update your email. Locate the email address field and tap on it. Enter your new email address and ensure it is correct. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new email, look for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the screen. Tap it to confirm your changes. Once you have completed these steps, your email link to your Venmo account will be updated. If you encounter any issues, consider checking Venmo's help section for further assistance.